What is Amazon Seller Software and Product Research? Amazon Seller Software and Product Research refer to the tools and methods sellers use to find profitable products and manage their Amazon business effectively. These software solutions provide valuable data such as sales volume, competition levels, keyword demand, and pricing trends. Product research tools help sellers identify high potential niches and products that can generate consistent sales, while seller software automates listing, inventory tracking, and performance monitoring. With the right software, sellers can analyze what customers are searching for, which categories are trending, and how to price competitively. This data-driven approach replaces guesswork with accurate insights, helping sellers make smarter business decisions. It also saves time by automating repetitive tasks such as keyword tracking, review monitoring, and profit calculation, allowing sellers to focus on scaling their store. Most professional Amazon sellers use Helium 10 as their main software for product research and business management. Helium 10 offers a suite of powerful tools for discovering profitable products, analyzing competition, and optimizing listings for maximum visibility. By combining detailed analytics with automation, Helium 10 empowers sellers to grow faster and dominate their niche with confidence. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to research winning products, track performance, and grow your Amazon business efficiently at no cost.